If you want to fix the darkening of your knees, elbow, armpit, or even your face and to have a much brighter face, then watch my video to the end. Welcome to my channel, I'm Ahlan. In my current video, I wanna make you a great scrub mask for your face and body with an orange. Peel the orange and let it dry in room temperature for 48 hours. When dried completely, powder the peel. Each and every week, I upload many videos of myself, teaching you the healthiest natural masks to protect your face and hairs. So subscribe me for more videos. Add a tablespoon of brown sugar to the powder. Now add 3 spoons of orange juice to it. To finalize it, dilute it with water or rose water to get a shape like this. Your scrub mask is ready now. For more use of the mask, you can refrigerate it in a container with lid. Since the skin beneath your eyes are too sensitive, wear your mask starting it with a little distance from beneath the eyes. Then wear the mask over your entire face. If the skin of your lips is as dry as mine, you can apply the mask on your lips as well. After 5 minutes, rinse your face with a cold water and then dry it. Until the next tutorial.